Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find best-selling items on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon website. Once you're in the website, you can see a banner which has groceries, medical care, same-day delivery video on it. You can click on the banner and as you scroll right, you'll see bestsellers, Amazon basics and so on. Since we want to find best-selling items, click on bestsellers option. And now you can find best-selling items on Amazon. You can also choose to see new releases and so on. You can see all the best-selling items on Amazon right here on this page. And just like that, we have navigated to the bestseller section on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.